Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and performance that caters to both commuting needs and recreational biking. At first glance, its design is sleek and modern, with a sturdy yet lightweight frame that easily folds for storage or transport. Weighing in at just under 70 pounds, it's manageable for most users while still feeling robust enough for rougher terrains. Equipped with a 1000W motor, this electric bike delivers impressive acceleration and can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. This makes it an exceptional choice for those who need to get around quickly, whether for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The power is complemented by a 48V 20AH removable battery, which offers an outstanding maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. This feature is particularly appealing for long-distance riders or those who want the flexibility to use the bike for extended trips without worrying about recharging frequently. The bike's performance is further enhanced by its responsive braking system and adjustable suspension, which contribute to a smooth ride over various terrains. Whether navigating city streets or tackling unpaved paths, the handling remains stable and reliable. Riders will appreciate the comfort provided by the ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars, allowing for a personalized riding experience. However, potential buyers should note that assembly is required upon delivery, which could be a minor inconvenience for some. Additionally, while the bike's weight allows for portability, it may be slightly cumbersome for some users when fully assembled. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike stands out for its impressive combination of speed, range, and convenience. It is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful electric bike that can handle daily commutes and weekend adventures alike. With its thoughtful design and robust features, this bike is certainly a worthy investment for both seasoned cyclists and newcomers to the electric bike scene.